Think on your feet. What is it? Why should you attend? And what do we cover during the workshop? Most of our communication is done on an ad hoc and informal basis, a tough question in a meeting, a chance meeting in the corridor, or an unexpected conference call. In moments, sometimes seconds, you have to analyze, organize, and present your thoughts clearly and memorably, thinking before you speak. However, most of us respond in an unplanned and unstructured way, providing the wrong information, waffling, or even saying nothing. Think on Your Feet is a verbal communication workshop that focuses on unplanned, ad hoc communication, where you need to get your message across with clarity, brevity, and impact. You know what you want to say, but more importantly, you need to ensure your listener understands. Cut the waffle and get to the point. Focusing on what's key. After all, less is more. And make your message impactful, which will make it memorable.
It prepares you to sound like the expert you are when you have little or no time to prepare, especially when you're put on the spot. It provides you with the techniques to be able to think, structure, and say what you want to say when you need to say it, not walk away and think, why didn't I say that? And it prepares you to be off the cuff, to get to the point quickly, and be remembered. It's a tools-based workshop that introduces you to a variety of different communication plans. There are 6 core plans to ensure you package your persuasion. They help you to add structure to your message when you have no time to prepare, so you will get your message across on the spot, every time.
In addition, you get 4 support plans to help you flesh out your ideas, so you can add content to your message in a very creative but structured way. And finally, we practice. The only way to learn the Think on Your Feet tools is to do them. So we do lots of different exercises throughout the 2-day workshop, embedding what you've learnt and practicing situations where you will need to apply them. And of course, we have a lot of fun along the way.
Join over 1 million participants worldwide who now speak spontaneously with clarity and impact in a wide range of formal, informal, and ad hoc situations.
Indigo are proud to be the exclusive UK distributor of Think on Your Feet. It's available as a face-to-face or online workshop worldwide, with public workshops throughout the UK and online, or training for your team, in-house training that's ideal for groups and teams.